And there is Clawla. She said hi. Hey, hi Clawla, how are you today? It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day to eat food, isn't it? Eh? Okay, let's try to touch it. Okay, for now she's not aggressive. Huh? Perfumes. There are people walking here with a cloud of perfume around them. And there she rolls. Excellent. She rolled for us. Clawla, do you know that you are famous? You have 30 views. Don't you know that? And again she wants to show me her ass. I don't want to see your ass. I want to see other asses. Okay. Lovely. Lovely Clawla. Okay, Clawla. Enough for today. I'll be back in the evening. Okay? When I'm back to the command center. Yeah. Bye bye. Okay, she said bye bye. I will touch her for the last. And she won't scratch me. Mew. Okay. Bye bye.